Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete folders in Yahoo. So, first of all, you want to log into your Yahoo email account, and as you can see, I'm already here. So once you log in, go to your mail section, then you want to find the folder that you would like to delete and as you can see, I do have the folder that is called new folder 123, and I do have some emails right here. So what I want to do, and you want to do, if you want to delete the folder, just click on this arrow right here, or just right click on the folder and then just click delete folder. And as you can see, there's a notification that only empty folders can be deleted. Please delete all contents of the new folder 123 folder list. So as you can see, you need to select all of the emails, then delete them. And now once the folder is empty, now you can delete the folder. And this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel.